With Salusion, you can add as many administrators as you want at no extra cost. The person who creates the HRA with Salusion automatically becomes a root administrator. Only root admins can add or remove other administrators. To add an administrator, click your name in the top right corner of the screen. Select Plan Settings, then go to Administrators. From there, you can add administrators either from your employee list or from outside the company. To add an external admin, click Add External TPA. Then, select the appropriate permissions for the new administrator. The external admin will receive an email inviting them to set up their Salusion account. To add an employee admin, first click Employees, then select the employee from the list and assign the appropriate permissions. To remove an admin, just click the trash can icon next to their name. By managing administrator roles effectively, you can ensure the right people have the access they need to support your organization's HRA needs.